Alrighty guys, we're back with Sylvester. So you know how I was saying earlier like he was being a little grumpy? Well, he got a lot more grumpy. He started like stalling out and not wanting to run correctly. So we're gonna hopefully throw some stuff at him and get him running right. Like so, as you guys saw in the title, maybe hopefully we're gonna throw like a fuel filter on him. It's gonna run up here. I already got some tools all ready to go. So if you check up in here, this is where the fuel filter's gonna go. Yeah, we haven't changed that or touched it since we bought it, so hopefully that's the problem and it's like gunking up so the injectors aren't getting enough pressure and not being able to run right and fire. And yeah, so we're hoping that's the problem. So let's set you guys up and just quickly replace that thing and hopefully it fixes it. There we go, we got it all installed. Quick and easy. I had to cut a few things off and then just reattach everything. But other than that, it's a pretty simple install. So now, let's go ahead and test it out and I'll come right back and see if it works. Alrighty, we're back and guess what? It didn't really help. I know it was like really dirty. So if you look at it, this is the old one. It was all dirty and everything. And then on the inside, like the fuel was all bad inside. So it was kind of clogged up. And it was a little bit hard for the fuel to get through, so that's definitely something that would probably gonna get add up in the future. But it wasn't really the problem that we actually were having in the moment. So it's still misfiring and everything, so we're gonna still have to mess around with it, but that's something you should watch out for because your Jeep Cherokee could not be getting enough fuel, can't keep the pressure right. So that's just something that was gonna add up on me anyways. So at least we got that done. I'm gonna still mess around trying to figure out what's the problem with it. But yeah, so subscribe, really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.